Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we're fixing Elden Ring stuck on the loading screen on your PS5. Start by making sure your PS5 is placed on a flat, open surface to avoid overheating. Gently press the PS5 power button and fully shut down the PS5 instead of using rest mode. Now unplug the power cable from the back of your PS5 to begin a quick power cycle. Wait at least 30 seconds before plugging the PS5 power cable back in. Turn on the PS5 and see if Elden Ring loads past the PS5 loading screen. If your PS5 still gets stuck, close the game completely from the PS5 home screen. Highlight Elden Ring on your PS5 and press the Options button on your PS5 controller. Select Check for Update to ensure your PS5 has the latest Elden Ring patch. If your PS5 game is already updated, open Settings on your PS5. Navigate to Storage and check if your PS5 has enough free space. If your PS5 storage is too full, delete unused games or apps from your PS5. Return to Elden Ring and try launching it again on your PS5. If the PS5 still freezes, force close the game again from the PS5 quick menu. Restart your PS5 by holding the PS5 power button for a clean reboot. When the PS5 restarts, try opening Elden Ring again. If it's still stuck, power off the PS5 one more time. Hold the PS5 power button until you hear the second beep to enter PS5 safe mode. Connect your PS5 controller with a USB cable to your PS5. On the PS5 safe mode menu, choose Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Confirm the option and let the PS5 rebuild the database. After the PS5 restarts, launch Elden Ring again. If the PS5 still won't load the game, return to the PS5 home screen. Highlight Elden Ring again on your PS5 and open the Options menu. Select Delete Game, but make sure your PS5 save data is backed up. Go to Settings on your PS5 and open Save Data Management. Upload Elden Ring saves to cloud storage on your PS5 if needed. Return to the PS5 home screen and reinstall Elden Ring on your PS5. Allow the PS5 to download and install the game fully without interruption. Once installed, restart your PS5 again to refresh the system. Open Elden Ring on your PS5 and test the loading screen. If the PS5 still struggles, open Settings on your PS5 again. Navigate to System and select System Software on your PS5. Choose Update System Software to ensure your PS5 is fully updated. After updating, restart the PS5 once more. Try running Elden Ring again on your PS5. If your PS5 still has issues, check your PS5 game disc if you're using a disc version. Remove the disc from your PS5 and inspect it for scratches or dust. Clean the disc gently and reinsert it into your PS5. Let the PS5 verify the disc before launching the game. If you're using digital, verify the Elden Ring license in PS5 account settings. Select Restore Licenses on your PS5 and wait for the process to finish. Restart the PS5 again after restoring licenses. Try opening Elden Ring again on your PS5. If the PS5 still hangs, unplug all cables and reseat them firmly into your PS5. Check the HDMI cable connection on both your PS5 and your TV. Power on the PS5 again and return to the game. Test Elden Ring one more time on your PS5. If your PS5 finally loads the game, you're good to go. Thanks for watching TechVibes, and enjoy smooth Elden Ring gameplay on your PS5.